we never forget. And that's why we're here today, to commemorate the 10th anniversary of the loss of our coworker, our peer, our good friend, a loved one, a family man, all the words we could use, a father, a husband, a son, all those things we talk about. 10 years ago, we lost Tommy.
Well, my husband actually was eligible to retire on the 30 years, and he didn't want to. He loved the department so much, and especially he was of the motormen. That was something he'd always wanted to be able to do, and to be able to think that they're honoring him like that, and I don't even have words to express what this would mean to him, and certainly what it means to me.